Welcome everyone to the next installment of this month in Microsoft Teams. My name is Tim Homan. I'm a project manager with Peters & Associates. Today's topic is going to be governance. One, I guess, disclaimer before we get into it is this is not intended to be a training. It's really just a high-level overview. So first area is creation. And here we're talking just simply creating a team site, who can do that, and what kind of rules are in place to control what that site is named. So here's just a picture from my demo site where I have the HR site, I have the human resources site, and the official HR site. Which one, right, is HR? So we need to come up with a naming convention. At the same time, we can do some things like classifications. In my demo, I did internal, external, confidential, and highly confidential. And doing simple things like that will allow you down the road to control how data is shared. Expiration is our next topic, and it's one of the easiest ways to control Teams sprawl, I would say. So my recommendation is, right, set up a expiration for all your team sites for 365 days. So once a year, the owners of the team site will get an email at 30 days, at 15 days, and at 1 day, and all they have to do is click the button and their site is renewed. And that's one reason why you recommend 2 owners per site, so that if one owner leaves your organization, the other owner will still get that email. You can also use data retention. So even if a site gets deleted, you can have a data retention rule in place that's going to preserve that information. And then finally, archiving. And archiving puts your site into an archive state, so it's not deleted, it's not expired. The information's still accessible, and that's something users can do themselves. Big picture, right? How do we do this? So, right, we document. We're going to create a plan on how we're going to implement it, and then we're going to communicate that out to our users so that they're not surprised when they start creating a site and they're seeing their department name in front of it, or when they get this email that says your site's about to expire. So those are the things I had to talk about, the stuff I had to demo. Check my notes real quick. And then next month, I'm going to cover some of the Microsoft applications that you can use within Teams. So forms and to-do and whiteboard. So that's what is coming up. Here's our contact information. Thanks everyone for joining, and we'll see you next month.